again, kids. Today we are going to remember the vowels and we are going to practice the short sounds. Before to start, do you remember the vowels? Remember, we have 5 vowels. Let's practice. We have the letter A, E, I, O, U. Now that we have remembered the letters, let's practice the sounds. Remember, the letter A sometimes sounds A, like apple and R. The letter E sometimes sounds E, like in elephant and egg. The letter I sounds E, like igloo and iguana. The letter O sounds O, like in orange and octopus. And finally, the letter U that sounds like umbrella and up. Now that we have remembered the sounds, let's practice the letters again. A, E, I, O, U. Excellent. This is all for today. See you next time. Goodbye.